Crypto Zombie community. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. So today in this video I will telling about one of the best crypto project which is the name of Meow Cat project. So disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your research, you can make for any investment. So let's start the review now. So friend, today in this video I will telling about Meow project. Flying high and join the Meow. So now you can buy this token and earn money online. So now you can check out all of detail. Meow, a blockchain AI based Lucky Cat, focuses on building an effective, fast and intelligent AI generated gaming ecosystem. With its Meow, firstly, it aims to spend up ever token transaction. It cut brand image, lets user experience the tech charm of crypto, AI, meme and fun and resources play. So now you can check out all of detail. Now you can see, you can watch out this tutorial video like that. So next, smart token launch platform. So now you can check out add to wallet and now you can share and now you can check out this game detail like that. Now you can check it trading graph like that here. So now I do detail like that. So now you can pay 1 BNB and maximum BNB 100 BNB. So now you can check out this percentage 48% like that. You can see here, you can see this roadmap like that. Meow is the future cat in the blockchain AI world, focusing on building any effective, fast and artificial intelligence generation game proxy. So add commodity to use Meow philosophy. It make to each token as quick as intelligence. So now you can check out next detail like that. So now you can check out this sleeping detail, sleeping profile like that, nice profile. So AI token application, one click intelligence activate or multiple in game token application. AI boost, can you automatic performs multifunction marketing. So now you can check out this detail AI generated game. So basically effectively created unique games, game words, evident and adopt based on gameplay. So now you can check out AI agent. So agent can really build unique games and developer AI with a pieces of speech or text. So now you can check out AI game token. Each NFC word and automatic generated and each game word created a unique meme token. So now you can check out this Meow tokenomics detail. So Celebrated 50%, trading post 10%, liquidity 50%, whitelist 10%, airdrop 5% and IDO 10%. Total tokens 1 billion, chain type of BSC BIP20. So now you can check out this partnership detail. So here you can check out these partners OKX, Swap, Token, Binance and Everlist. So now you can check out this social medias. So Telegram, Twitter, I have placed all official link in my video description. You can simply click and you can join. So now you can contact, so you can simply type your name, email and submit now. So now you can check out this detail and now you can simply follow this some social media account. First of all, you must be follow this official Twitter account Meow. So Meow is the first platform coin for AI generated gems. Meow may be a new smart chain, meme coin great again. Explore the endless possibility and Meow. So now you can check out this link tree detail like that. Here you can see and now you can check out this link tree detail and now you can check out this total followers 23.9% followers like that. You can see and you can check out. So now you can check out this pin post and Meow IDO announcement, limited to $100 million micro and first come and first settle with our construction. So now you can check out transfer a minimum of 50 USDT on BSC to secure your spot and with not upper limit. So now you can check out this contract address. You can simply click and you can copy and now you can check out this all of social post and like that. You can check out this detail like that Biscayne and now you can check out. Now simply tap your amount and you can see and you can simply BAP20 tokens. So now you can send and you can check out. So now you can must be follow this Twitter account that have a latest update news in which and you can check out each and everything detail like that. And now you can must be follow this Telegram community. I have placed an official link in my video description. So basically it is a very amazing project. You can earn money online. So now you can check out all of details. So I hope all you clear. Okay, goodbye.